So in this video we will draw the profile of the offset of a cam with offset follower. So in the previous part we had drawn the displacement diagram which is shown here. Now we will draw the profile. So here previously we had seen that h was height of the uh, follower, maximum height was 35 mm, and RC or the base radius also was base radius was 25 mm, 25 mm, and the offset x was 10 mm. And other data we had as phi d. Of course we have phi a is equal to 60 degrees, and delta 1 is equal to 40 degrees, phi d is equal to 90 degrees, and delta 2 is equal to 170 degrees. With this data we will now proceed with drawing of the profile. So now we have to draw a circle, base circle of radius 25 mm. So now we have here a circle of base circle radius 25 mm. Now concentric to this circle we will draw the offset circle which should have a radius equal to 10 mm. So next we draw a concentric circle at the same center with the radius 10 mm. So now we have a concentric circle of radius 10 mm. So this is the offset circle and its radius is x equal to 10 mm, and this is the base circle. Now we need to draw a tangent to this circle, a vertical tangent. So the follower, this is the center of the cam and it is offset, the follower is offset by 10 mm. So that's why the circle, offset circle, must have a radius of 10 mm, because let us say approximately we say that this is the so this is the center of this cam. So this is the center of the cam and this is the offset. So this is 10 mm, this distance is 10 mm. So from here we have to draw a tangent, vertical tangent. So the axis of the follower must be along this tangent. Okay, now we will draw the tangent. So now we have drawn this tangent. So the follower must be along this tangent. So like this. So this is the follower and you see it is offset. This distance is 10 mm from center to this point. So the follower is offset by a distance of 10 mm from the center of the cam. Now draw a line from center of the cam to the tip of the follower like this. Now we have to mark the angle of ascent from here, from starting from this line. So here we are assuming that the cam is rotating in the clockwise direction. So if the cam rotates in the clockwise direction, the profile must be drawn starting from the anti-clockwise direction to from the ascent to descent. Okay. So the profile drawing will now start from here and then it will go in anti-clockwise direction and it will end here. Because the cam is supposed to rotate in the clockwise direction. So remember that point. So you look at the direction of the rotation of the cam. Whatever is the direction of the rotation of the cam, we draw the profile in exactly the opposite direction. So what is the angle of ascent? It is 60 degrees. So now we have to mark an angle of 60 degrees starting from this line up to here, and then we divide this circle into a sector which has the angle of 60 degrees. That is for the angle of ascent. So we will draw a line making an angle of 60 degrees from the first line and like this. So this angle is 60 degrees. Okay. Since we have divided the displacement diagram for ascent into 6 parts, this sector also must be divided into 6 equal parts. So every 10 degrees we'll just mark a point on this arc here, and then we will divide it into 6 equal parts. So here we have the first part, then we have the second part, third part, fourth part, fifth and sixth part. Now I will mark the numbers 0, and we have 1 here, and this is 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now from this point 1 we have to draw a tangent to this offset circle and extend that line outside. Similarly from point 2 we draw a line which is tangent to this offset circle and extend it. So similarly from 3, 4, 5, 6 and 6, or up to 6. So from all of these 6 points you draw a tangent to this offset circle. Okay, so we have the first line here like this. So you see that this line passes from the point 1 and it is a tangent to this circle. Similarly from 2 also we draw another line which is tangent to this circle. Similarly from 3, similarly from 4 draw another tangent, then again from point 5 and draw another tangent to that offset circle. Then from point 6 you draw another line which is again tangent to the offset circle but passing through the point 6. Now transfer this distance 1 1 dash on this line from 1, and you mark 1 dash such that this length 1 1 dash is equal to 1 1 dash here. So we have the point 1 dash here. So this is point 1 dash. Similarly 2 2 dash. So this length 2 2 dash must be transferred on this line from 2 to 2 dash. So that will be, so 2 to 2 dash will be somewhere here. So 2 dash. Then similarly mark this length 3 3 dash on the third line. Here, so here 3 dash, then 4 4 dash, we have it here, then you mark 5 5 dash, then 6 6 dash. So this length 4 4 dash must be equal to this 4 4 dash, then this length 5 5 dash must be equal to this length 5 5 dash, and this length 6 6 dash must be equal to this length 6 6 dash. Okay, now we have a dwell of 40 degrees. Okay, so now mark an angle of 40 degrees. So this angle will be 40 degrees. So that is the dwell. So this point will again become 6. Now from here we have to mark the angle of descent. Okay, angle of descent is 90 degrees. So we mark an angle of 90 degrees from here. So extend it a little bit. And now this is the angle of descent, and again this must be divided into 6 equal parts because the descent also has been divided into 6 equal parts. Okay, so this angle is 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees. And now we will divide this sector from here to here into 6 equal parts. So this is the first part. I will use a black marker. So first part, second part, third part, fourth part. Now we have the fifth and sixth parts. We will number these parts 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So this is 12th. So now from 6, the point 6, we have to draw another line which is tangent to this. From 6 we have to draw a line such that it is a tangent from here to here, you see. So we are the tangent must be drawn from here. Don't draw it from here. The tangent must not be drawn from here. It should be drawn from this point. Okay, the tangent, you can draw actually tangent from this point like this or also like this. So you should not draw like this. You have to draw it from here, because see, we are the tangent is coming here, so it will naturally come like this, and it must come in the same this line, because these lines must follow the same direction. Okay, so the tangent must come from here. So don't draw a tangent from here like this, so you will get a wrong profile. So continue from here. We will draw a tangent from which passes from point 6, and then it is a tangent to a circle, offset circle here. Okay, at this point. Okay, so keep that in mind. Don't draw a tangent from here. Okay, you will get the wrong profile. So the tangent must pass through 6, and it must be a tangent at this point for this offset circle. So we have the first tangent here like this. The second tangent must pass through the point 7. Okay, draw it like this. Now we have another tangent from passing through point 8. Then the next tangent passing from point 9. Then the tangent passing from point 10. Then the next tangent passing from point 11. Then finally a tangent passing from point 12. Now transfer the height. You see 6 6 dash here again, then 7 7 dash, 8 8 dash, 9 9 dash, and so on. So now first we will transfer the height 6 6 dash. Okay, we have here 6 6 dash. Then we have 7 7 dash. Then we have here 8 8 dash. Then we have 9 9 dash. We have here 10 10 dash. Then here we have 11 11 dash. Now join the points starting from 0 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, and so on by a smooth curve. Up to this point 12 here. So draw this smooth curve with freehand. And here you can, from 6 dash to 6 dash, you can use the compass because it is an arc here. 6 6 dash are same, so you can draw using compass. But here from 6 dash to 1 dash, we have to use again freehand to draw a freehand curve, which is of course smooth. So now this the red colored curve is the profile of the cam with an offset. Okay, where the ascent is for 60 degrees with simple harmonic motion, and then we have a so from here to here we have an ascent, that is the cam will follower will rise from here to here, then it will be stationary from here to here because this is a dwell of 60 degrees. Then again for 90 degrees it will come down. So this is the descent. Again the descent is with simple harmonic motion. And of course this follower has an offset of 10 mm from the center of rotation of the cam. So this is the procedure of drawing the profile for an offset follower.